guys, in today's video, I will be unboxing my giveaway win from Life with Lois. Oh guys, I can't wait for this one. I am so excited. If you're curious to see what I got from Lois, keep on watching. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I will be unboxing my giveaway win from Life with Lois. Now, if you guys have not been over to Lois's channel, you really need to check her out. She doesn't just do unboxings. It's a little bit of everything, which is what makes it so fun. She takes you on her shopping trips with her, or she'll be making something really good for dinner, or maybe a really great dessert. And Lois, you made a huge mistake letting me have your address, because I'm just going to show up on your doorstep and move right in with my son because it looks like so much fun to live there. I'm just saying. You get to eat good. She's got all kinds of fun stuff going on. I'm going to move in. I'm just saying. Nonetheless, if you guys have not checked out Lois, she is a super beautiful, sweet woman, and you must go check out her channel. I am so proud to call her one of my friends. She is so super lovely. I absolutely love her to death. Lois, I am so excited to open up this box. So without further ado, let's jump into this thing. Okay, guys, so here's my box. I am so excited. This thing has been sitting in my house for the past couple of days, but I've been so busy with Thanksgiving and birthday parties and stuff like that. I haven't been able to open it, and it has been so hard, guys, because I knew I needed to throw myself together and open this up on camera because I really wanted to show you guys what I got. So let's do that. Yay! Okay. Ooh. Okay, Lois, look at this, guys. Yes! All right, so on top here, it looks like we have some super fun stickers. So they just have, like, you know, make it happen, you know, errands and things like that. Super fun. Loving the little stickers. And this is Get It, Girl. That's right. Be so good they can't ignore you. That's right. That's what we always try to do every single day, guys. I love these. These are so great. And all of my YouTube buddies, you might be seeing these stickers on some of your little goodies here very soon. One amazing happy life. Get it done. I tell myself that every single day. Like I need to just put that on my forehead. Get it done. Awesome, Lois. Love stickers. They are so fun. Ooh, look at this. Is this the card? Oh, I got excited about that. Look at this. How pretty. I'm just saying. So you guys can see what I'm saying. But I have a really nice little card here. It says Amber. Nice little flower drawn. Not a drawer, guys. I'm a crafter. Not a drawer. Okay, so right here it has a nice sunflower on it, and because her address is on the back, I'm not going to show you guys that part. It says, let's see, Amber, I'm so glad you are my winner this week. Thank you for being my friend. I am so glad that I have you as my friend, Lois. You're so amazing. And visiting my channel and taking time to comment, it makes my day. My God bless you and your family. Lois Neer. Says, I truly love your videos. You always make me laugh and smile. Well, that's good. That makes me happy. I love your bloopers. Yeah, I can't do a video without messing up like 30 times. You're doing amazing. You're the best. Oh, and then it says, love who you are. Express yourself. How nice, Lois. Oh, thank you. Well, that just made my day. I'm just saying. All you had to do was send the card. I don't even need the goodies. I'm just saying. Oh, that's so sweet. Okay, so let's go ahead and dig into this thing because it's really caught my eye. She's got this package so nice, guys. It is so super great. Okay, so, ooh, hold on. Let me just do that. I'm going to reuse this. I'm just saying. Okay. Ooh, we got some fun earrings. Yes! Oh, Lois, you know my style. Yes, you do, girl. Look at this. Okay, let me just try to show you the guys like this. Oh my gosh, look how fun that is. That is so super fun. Oh my gosh, I love it. Yes, I am a dangle earring girl. I do not care for the little post. Just not my thing. Oh my gosh, these are so cool. Look at the design on this one. I don't know if you guys can see it better in my hand or not. I know people make fun of YouTubers that do that, but I just feel like you guys can see it better. So cool. Yes, loving these. Lois, you definitely know my style. Oh my gosh, these ones here. So pretty. Okay, let me find the end here so I can hold it up so you guys can see what I'm looking at. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Lois, you nailed it. Oh my gosh, I love these. Oh, these are so fun. Oh my gosh, I love it. Like I said, she could have just sent the card and I would have been ecstatic, honestly, guys. But these earrings are so super cute. Loving the stickers. This is so great. And guess what, guys? There's actually more in here. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. This looks like it's hand painted. Oh, and it's rustic. And look, it's got a little purple bag. So it looks like it's like a little tree here with a couple of ornaments on it, which is so super cute. Let me hold still for a second so you guys can see this. I love it. And listen, I do like, I don't know, about 15 trees, 10 trees at my house, something like that. So this will definitely go in the one that I have my purple stuff on because it has the little purple bag, which is so perfect. Oh, it definitely looks like somebody hand painted this. Oh my God, I love this. This is amazing. Thank you, Lois. Oh my God. This is so great. So then we have, oh, I actually use this. Yes, I absolutely do. It says cream of nature with argan oil from Morocco. It's perfect edges. It's really good for smoothing out your hair, although you guys can't see that I do that very often. But I actually do have this stuff and I use it quite often. So I obviously need to use it more because I'm always complaining that my hair is all over the place. But yes, this is perfect, Lois. I actually use this exact product. So awesome. Now I won't have to buy more for a little while. Woohoo! She's on it, guys. And believe it or not, there's more. Oh my gosh. Yes, I love this. Guys, this came in the Walmart beauty box and I use it literally all the time. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited I have another one. This makes me so happy. I love this stuff. And you know what? I'm pretty sure, yeah, Crushed comes in. It is the exact same color that I got in my Walmart beauty box and I absolutely love this, guys. So this is so great because I'm a huge fan of that and I literally wear it in a lot of my videos. Just saying. So then we have a Tarte High Performance Naturals. It's Amazon Clay Smart Mascara. It's Smart Mascara. I didn't know mascara had intelligence. This is very interesting and new for me to learn. This is really cool. And it's black. She knows that I need black because I complain in some videos where I'm just like, dude, why can't they just send me black? I know I put that on my little sheet. Ooh, this is, wow, the Tarte. Wow. Hello. Look at that. Wow. Tarte goes all out. I mean, that is super great packaging. It's like rustic with the wood and stuff. Oh my gosh. Yes. And I love these kinds of wands, guys. Oh yeah. So I'm really excited because you know what? I'm actually quite impressed with Tarte products. So I'm really excited to have mascara by them. Thank you, Miss Lois. Yes. So this is really exciting. Oh my gosh. Everything is so awesome. I really like this packaging. That was really great. Okay. So believe it or not, wait, there's more. Oh my gosh. Lois, you went crazy. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. This is so nice. Okay, let me open it. And she has it packaged up so nice, guys. This is Sephora Pro. Ooh, Dimensional Highlighting Palette in Cool. Okay, so here it is, guys. Ooh, it's awful. You really can't see that. All right, so we're just going to skip that part. Ooh, it's super bright, guys. Oh, there is a mirror on it. So let me do something so I don't completely blind you guys when I show it to you. But check this out. Hello. You guys getting this? Hello. Look at how awesome that is. So there is all kinds of things for highlighting. And I'm experimenting with it. Not very good yet. You guys know I stink at putting on my makeup. But I'm definitely going to experiment with this. This is so super awesome. Thank you, Lois. I'm really excited. Yay! Oh, this is, Sephora is always super awesome with their packaging too. So this is really great packaging. Love it. Okay, so wait, there's more. Oh, Lois, you went crazy, but I still appreciate it. Oh my gosh. Ooh, this one's bubble wrapped, guys. Uh-oh. Bubble wrapped. I'll be reusing this bubble wrap, that's for sure. I always like to package things super good. I'm always nervous something's going to happen to it. So this is Moonchild Glow Kit. Moonchild Glow Kit. Oh, you're not going to really get this one without much glare, but it's super cool packaging. Great packaging. So let's open this up here. Oh, look at these colors. Oh, these colors are perfect. You know what she mentioned? She sent this one to me on her channel. Oh my gosh, look at those colors, guys. Those colors are perfect for me. I love the purples and I use a lot of these lighter shades all the time, like literally every single day. I use these lighter shades on my like base, I guess I call it, or whatever, you know, whatever. I don't know what I'm doing. I just kind of put some stuff on my face and hope that it looks decent. But this is great, guys. Yes, this palette is so perfect. I literally will use every single color in this palette. This is totally perfect for me. Wow. I'll have to let you guys know when I'm wearing this palette because this looks amazing. Moonchild Anastasia Beverly Hills. Yeah, I belong in Beverly Hills. How I ended up in Ohio. Okay, guys, there's actually one more thing in here. Wow! She's got this wrapped up so nice. Okay. One more thing. Let's see what we have in here. Trying to get it opened. Slide it on out, maybe. Ooh. Okay, now. I love statement jewelry. Everybody knows I like to make a statement. This is so pretty. And then it has the little dangle earrings that go with it. Perfect, perfect, perfect. This is so pretty. You know, this will actually look really good with some of my Christmas outfits that I will probably be posting on Instagram. I haven't posted on Instagram for like ever. I've lost probably, I don't know, a couple hundred followers because I just don't post very often. I got to get back on board with that. But Lois, oh my gosh, this was a lot that I'm really excited. And literally every single thing you sent to me is totally me. Like, she knows me so well from watching my videos because Lois is probably one of the few people that watch my videos all the way through. So that's why I greatly appreciate all of her support. She is a huge support to all of her friends. And I just think that is so very special. Lois is a special person. And I'm so lucky that I met her through YouTube and that we had a connection and that we're just great friends now. I just love you, Lois. I can't wait one day to hopefully meet all of these people that I'm buddy with on YouTube in person. I hope that we can make that happen someday soon. Again, guys, her channel is Life with Lois. If you haven't made your way over there yet, you definitely need to check her out. It is a very special channel and she shares a little bit of everything. So there's all kinds of fun stuff going on all of the time. So make sure that you guys check her out. Thanks so much for checking this video out, guys, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye! What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have for you... I don't know how to say it, so let's try it again. And in today's video, I will be unboxing my giveaway win from Life with Lois. Life with Lois. Try her again. And in today's video, I will be unboxing my giveaway winners? Yeah. Let's do it. Okay, try it again. From Life with Lois. Now, if you guys have not... I drew a blank. Okay, try her again. From Life with Lois. Now, if you guys have not seen Lois's channel, why can't I say that? Try it again. And it is just a little bit of everything. That's what makes it so fun. She'll take you on her shopping trips with her. I drew a blank. She doesn't just unbox things. It's a little bit of everything, which is what makes it so fun. Boom, 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 boom. Why can't I talk? Try it again. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY. My name is Amber Meeks. What was that? Something just fell. Her channel is so super unique because she isn't just doing unboxings. It's a little bit of everything, which is what makes it so special. Why can't I get that out? I'm like out of breath. I didn't even do anything. All right, try it again. Okay, guys. So, here's my box. My box! Why am I squeaking like a 10-year-old boy? I don't know. Let's try again. Okay, guys. So, that was delayed. Okay, wow. Again. Okay, guys, so. Just do it again.